So tell us, what is your role here?
Well, I'm the representative of 6,000 mothers of Srebrenica in the case against the Dutch state and the United Nations. That's a civil case. We're having one since 2007 in The Hague in the Netherlands.
Because lost in all of this, I guess, is the fact that there were Dutch peacekeepers there in Srebrenica.
Right, that is exactly what it's all about. The mothers of Srebrenica think that the Dutch and the United Nations didn't do what they had to do, protect the people of Srebrenica. So that's what the whole claim is about. Did they do everything they could have done to avoid and to prevent the genocide that has taken place by Mladic?
Well, you answer that question for us.
Well, I think they didn't, because they didn't use airstrikes. They didn't fire any single shot at the attacking Serbs. They didn't take any measures, even though they knew the Bosnian Serbs would attack. They didn't take any measures to avoid this. And they helped separating women and men, even though they knew that man atrocities have to fear. That's what they said here in court in another process. So they knew lots of things and they just didn't do anything. If you go somewhere and you have a mandate to protect the people, 8,000 or 10,000 people that are dead, it should be possible to ask this question before an independent judge. Did the United Nations what they had to do to protect these people, even though they had the mandate? That's all about. And then a judge has to decide they did it correctly or they didn't.
Do you think it's significant that one of the judges hearing the case against Ratko Mladic is a Dutchman?
Yes, I think that is not really a nice incident. The mothers are concerned that he will somehow, there will be a shine of an appearance of bias that you take just a Dutch judge. Why not take anyone from the other countries? There's only one Dutch judge, and in this case, where it's all about Srebrenica, you appoint a Dutch judge.
What happened in Serbia, and in particular Srebrenica, has long been considered to be a scar on the history of Europe and of NATO. Did the international community learn lessons from that experience, do you think?
Until now, 16 years later, even after the arrest of Mladic, the United Nations nor the Dutch government ever said any word of sorry. Sorry. The best mothers of Srebrenica, sorry that this happened. They even didn't say that. It seems that they don't feel any moral responsibility. They hide behind the legal proceedings and just don't say sorry. That is really bad in these days.